Innovation is happening right under our noses no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies in development around the globe. Our first stop is Salt Lake City, Utah, where man and machine are coming together on the factory floor. This is the Guardian XO, a robotic exoskeleton for industrial workers developed by Sarcos Robotics. It's designed to augment the strength and endurance of human employees while reducing the chance of injuries. The robot empowers humans to safely lift up to 200 pounds while only exerting the force needed to lift 10 pounds. The exoskeleton also comes with several different hand fittings such as hooks, clamps, and flat pads. This allows workers to manipulate all shapes and sizes of packages. The Guardian XO might look bulky, but it can also move at human walking speeds, so productivity isn't slowed. The Sarcos Robotics team believes its humanoid suits are the future of dangerous and demanding industrial operations. We move along to Toronto, Ontario to learn about a dynamic digital-first teaching tour. Top Hat creates educational software that makes it easier for instructors to engage with students. Teachers can build custom textbooks and lesson plans with embedded images and videos that can be updated as needed. That way, students always receive the most relevant content. They're also able to ask questions and offer feedback through the platform so teachers can gauge how well they understand the material. Top Hat also makes tools to engage students within the classroom, such as live quizzes they can respond to using a smartphone app. They can even deliver exams through the platform that students can take on the app without the ability to search for the answers online. It's an educational solution that delivers learning in a way that today's students can connect with. We end our travels in Tokyo for a tiny device that's breaking down language barriers. The PocketTalk is a live translation device built to handle 74 different languages. A user simply holds down a button to speak into the device, and in just a few seconds, it will offer a voice translation in their language of choice. It has two powerful speakers and noise-cancelling microphones that make it usable even in loud environments. The PocketTalk can also translate text using a built-in camera. Just snap a picture and the device will analyze it and swap out foreign words for translations right on the screen. The PocketTalk comes with 2 years of unlimited data and works in more than 130 countries. It's an invaluable tool for business travelers and tourists in unfamiliar places. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.